What's so cool about manufacturing? I'm a library media specialist.
7th grade math.
The innovative technology.
A school counselor.
Social studies.
Technology education teacher.
The art teacher.
Media design. It directly gives my students an opportunity to get out into the real world of manufacturing, to see what stories are happening and how they can be documented into a movie medium.
I love learning all about the manufacturers alongside my students.
Being able to inform students of the many career paths available in our community is very important.
Students are able to see in real life what we're actually trying to teach them in the classroom.
We get to interview people, record, have fun with green screens, eat pizza, and of course, edit tons of footage.
I've been doing it since the beginning, since the first year that they started.
The most amazing thing about the contest is watching our students work together.
It's really neat to see them get excited about learning new skills, working with new people.
Seeing that look in their eye when the final video is completed and seeing that all the hard work has paid off over the several months.
Whether they choose to go into manufacturing or not, it is important for them to experience how their education relates to the real world.
Because it shows my students that school is not the end of the line, but the beginning of a greater journey.
There are very few opportunities where middle school students, educators, and local professionals get together and collaborate.
The awards are like the Academy Awards, only better because we get treated with really great cupcakes.
The cupcakes, really, they're so good. In all honesty, the reason I do this is because it's fun to teach the students how to unleash their creativity. It's really the spice in my teaching day.
Think critically, communicate, create.
Collaborate in order to solve a problem.
In a project-based atmosphere.
Career education.
Scope of engagement.
Teamwork.
Positive interactions.
To solve a puzzle.
And investigate.
Lifelong skills.
STEM skills. Research skills.
Using technology.
Hands-on learning.